Hi, good morning students. Today we will discuss about the networks hardware. Now what is network design? Basically we know that this is a alternation creation for classification of network, that today when we speak of network we are generally referring to two primary categories: local area network and wide area network. Normally, whenever we are speaking about the Wi-Fi connection or the networking connection, at that time we are considering two basic connection, that is local area network and wide area network. The category into which a network falls is determined by its size. According on size, it is renamed. Before going on that, the two important dimension of a computer network are, I want to mention here, that one is transmission technology and second one is scale. We already studied that types of transmission technology, basically two types. One is broadcast network, another is point to point network. ना ट्रांसमिशन टेक्नोलॉजी अकॉर्डिंग ऑन यूज इसको दो टाइप में डिवाइड किया गया है, अकॉर्डिंग ब्रॉडकास्ट नेटवर्क एंड सेकेंड वन इज पॉइंट टू पॉइंट नेटवर्क. First one I want to discuss here, what is broadcast network. Now in a broadcast network, all the machine on the network use or share communication channel that is shared or used by all the machine on the network. The short message are called packet. The short messages are called packet, sent by any machine or received by all other devices. A single machine is decoding something and other machine are receiving the same packet of information, short of information, that is called as packet. This broadcast system generally uses a special code in the address field for addressing a packet to all the concerned computer. We know that, or this mode of operation is also, we can say that this is a broadcasting system or broadcast networking. Basically, this broadcast system also support transmission to only a group of few machine. It may be known as multicasting. We can also say this is a multicasting channel. When a packet is received, अगर मैं कोई पैकेट रिसीव कर रही हूँ, a machine checks the address field. The machine should always check the address field, and if the packet is addressed to it, then the packet is processed, otherwise the packet is ignored. If the packet address is detected or addressed, then only the packet is processed, otherwise it is ignored. That type of communication or that type of network is called as broadcast networking or broadcast communication. And second most important thing is point to point network. Here in point to point network, there exists of many connection between individual pairs of machine. To go from the source to the destination, a packet on this system or in this type of network may have to go through intermediate computers before they reach the desired computer. Basically in this point to point network or in point to point communication or connection, it is basically between individually two group or two pair of machine. In that some packets or some information is transmitted to network through having a intermediate computer before they have desired the computer. The packet emerging from the same source have to follow multiple routes. Here basically the multiple routes are used, or different length having it is, hence properly designed routing algorithm are very important in the point to point network. Before discussing on this topic, I already said that these two important dimensions of a computer network are transmission technology and another is scale technology. Here scale is nothing but the distance. For example, the distance of interprocessor is, if 0.1 meter, then the data flow machine, we are using same circuit for a data flow machine. If it is the distance of the network is within 1 meter, the same system is nothing but connected to a, or the example is multi-computer. If the distance is 10 meter, 100 meter, 1 kilometer, up to 1 kilometer, beyond 10 to 1 kilometer, beyond 10 meter to 1 kilometer, we can say that this is a LAN connection. That is the main important things of discussing today's topic is what is LAN and WAN. Here there is, I again explain you, the network is again divided into two part. First one is broadcast and second one is your scale, according on scale. Broadcast means this is nothing but again your broadcast network and point to point network. Okay, means I can say this, they both are the broadcast technology and the point to point, they both are nothing but a transmission technology or packet technology concept. But when we are discussing about the scale concept, here the scale is depend upon the distance of the network. So beyond or below 10 meter, it is nothing but a connection of data flow machine or multi-computer. So I am defining here that within 0.1 meter, the best example is it is nothing but a data flow machine. If the distance is increasing up to 1 meter, that is nothing but we can connect the device as a multi-computer or multi-connecting device. Okay, beyond 10 meter and below 1 kilometer, the connection must be called as LAN connection. Okay, and from 10 kilometer to 1000 kilometer means within the same city or within the same state or within the same campus, that is also called as WAN connection. Same state or continent, then that is WAN. If that is in same state, that is called as MAN. Again I am repeating, if the distance is within 10 meter to 1 kilometer, within 10 meter to 1 kilometer, that type of network is called as LAN, local area network. If the distance is 10 kilometer, means it is on a same city, we can process are located in a same city, that is called as MAN connection. If the interprocessor distance is, it may be 100 kilometer, it may be 1000 kilometer, then that is called as WAN connection. Beyond that, if I will discuss about maybe 10,000 kilometer or in a same planet, means if we are staying in our earth, so inside the earth, if we are transmitting the data beyond 10,000 kilometer, at that time we are using the concept of internet. So here according on our study or according on our phenomena, basically the network is according on distance or according on interprocessor, it is defined into four types. First one is LAN, second one is MAN, third one is WAN, and the fourth one is internet. But according on our reference book, two primary categories we are using. Today we want to speak that one. First one is LAN network and second one is WAN network. Okay, the LAN and WAN network, basically the category into which a network falls is determined by its size, according on its size. A LAN normally covers an area less than 2 meter. A WAN can be worldwide. Network of a size in between are normally referred to as a metropolitan area network, means MAN, and span tens of miles. It may be in the form of mile.